Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by exposing the movement. Remove the case back and gently pull the crown to release the stem, then lift the movement into a holder. Do this now so you can access the cannon pinion and hands. Once the movement is stable, use hand levers to take the second hand off its post. Short, controlled strokes prevent damage. Make sure to note hand order and alignment as you remove them, because precise positioning matters for the fix ahead. Once the second hand is removed, closely inspect the cannon pinion and surrounding gears. You're looking for a loose, compressed, or misiated pinion causing slippage. Clean grime with a blower and pegwood, then test rotation by gently turning the minute wheel. If the pinion turns without driving the gear, it's slipped and must be reset or replaced. For quartz, also check the stepper motor coil and contact points. Make sure to work deliberately. After resolving the pinion or motor issue, reinstall the hands in correct order and alignment. Press the second hand down squarely to the proper depth so it clears the dial and other hands. Refit the stem, secure the case back, and run a 24 to 48-hour test to confirm continuous sweep or step. If it still skips or stops intermittently, make sure the hand isn't rubbing, and if problems persist, the reliable option is movement replacement or professional service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.